Okay guys, so it's the second day of rifle season. I'm going to be going out with my dad in the box stand. I shot a doe in archery season, so I still have my buck tag. My dad has both of his tags. Yesterday I saw a couple of doe and my dad saw a buck. Hopefully we get some.
Hey guys, second day of rifle, Sunday morning. Me and Owen's out here at the box stand. He just smoked a buck, literally, at that orange hat. It's out there in the field, thrashing right now, but stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get one for me. There's a big boy running around. Owen's pretty pumped out. Yeah, buddy.
Okay guys, so my brother just shot the buck out of the box stand. He shot it, it was right beyond this hat here, right around this hat. Not a far shot at all with the rifle, and it's already dead somewhere over here.
Where'd he go? Oh yeah, look at all the hair by his skull. There, hold it up.
There it is.
You found him.
Oh yeah, that's a cool.
Isn't that neat?
How do I do this?
Just,
I'm just
yep.
doing. Okay guys, so this is my first rifle buck. I shot it with my 6.5 Creedmoor out of the box stand. I'm with my dad. Okay guys, so as you saw, I got my buck. We got into the stand around 6:30 and it came out around 7 and I shot it at 7:05. It was around 3 yards away. The leaves rustling around in the woods, and there was 2 deer. It was the first one that came out and I shot it. The antler is like a non-typical. That would be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.